Today's project is we're going to be working on the backstop, and we're putting in these 12-inch long lag screws, toenail in all of them to so that the entire wall will not fall. We've gone and put some in here, and it's already fixed it where you can't move the wall, and that's a good thing. So today's project is to lay some more railroad ties. Go over near the end of this one where it'll shift the most, and about halfway up. You start a hole, and then you use this edge of this bit slowly, eat away the top part of it. Then you need to be at about a 45-degree angle. Some of them we were putting in too high last time, but about a 45-degree angle, and then don't put your hand over this because it'll stop the ventilation. Put your hand on the end and put a little bit of force on it, but not much. Then you got to come back out and let all those tailings fall out, because up past here there's no place for the filings to go, so it's constant in and out, in and out, and in and out.
Right, because it's a metal bit, not a wood. I'm doing it wrong.
Nope, you're doing it right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now, this is what I was talking about. You see how the top of the hole and the bottom of the hole, you got to go in straight. As soon as it stops, pull it back out. And then let all those tailings fall, and then go back in the hole. You're down this way. Come up. There you go. You're pulling it out at an angle. There you go. Watch the two sides of the hole. If you've got a little gap on both sides, you're good. Now try putting one of them screws in. You're good. Now you got to do one underneath it and beside it. You're good. You see how all of them moved? You did good. Grab a screw. Pulled that one up.
awfully light when cut in half.
Yeah, no doubt.
Push it this way.
There we go. Now we gotta put the screw in it. Now do the next one. You're good. Awful nice of him. You're good. You're good. It's about close enough.